It smells like propane outside. That's not good. You guys couldn't hear me, right? Oh. Give me a second. Let me go use the bathroom. Test. Test. Garage. Let me just open the chat on my computer so I can see if, we're actually, if you guys can see, because I have no idea. It's streaming through the network to my computer upstairs, right? Yes, massive, and you can see me. This is the garage. Look at this. Is this not fucking sick? Look at that camera. Okay, check this camera out. Wait, look. Okay, guys, I spent a lot of time on this. Look at this camera. Look at the camera. It's wired. I can put it anywhere in the garage, and it just uses the camera anywhere. It's just wireless HDMI. You see it? Yeah. HDMI. Going to capture card on computer. Okay, you following? Goes to capture card on computer. After it goes to capture, oh, that's fucked. After it goes to capture card on computer, it goes over the network to the computer upstairs where it gets streamed to Twitch. Oh, that's fucking. Oh, I wonder if we can do a dolly zoom like this. Yeah, okay, that's badass. So now, what I can do, chat, I have full wireless capabilities, and I can mount this camera on the tripod, and now we can work in my garage. We can go anywhere in the house, pretty much. But we're in the garage, so put that here, and now we can work with a drill chan. I've got all the beautiful parts laid out perfectly. You know what? Let me raise that up, which I can do because it's fully wireless, and it doesn't matter what I do with it. Yes, it's all coming together. Oh, I forgot to change the stream. Hey, are there any mods in chat? Could you change the stream title to something about say drill go bird? Yeah, let me just take that off. Let me just use my fully wireless camera that I have set up with a wireless HDMI transmitter, which is kind of badass. Alerts are on my face. Alerts are on my face. Oh. Wait, 1 second. I think someone's outside. Oh, big wireless. Big fucking garage floor moment. Alright. Turn on autofocus. You're going to get those. But that's okay. Alright. Welcome to the garage. A little background on why this exists. Oh yeah, that's right, this camera. Most of the stuff in here exists because of the surgery robot, which was so hard to build that I probably lost a couple years off my life building it. Anyway, I'll do it again. Do one of these. Yeah, this screen is movable as well. Okay, come to the garage. Alright, come to the garage. Don't worry about the green screen. That was for video. I use that for something. You got boxes. You have the surgery robot, which, has like a real-ass computer, right? The computer is what ran the software for the surgery robot, so it's just, I use it as a desk whenever I'm in here, and it's like a computer table, which is really nice. I was also thinking about, it'd be kind of cool if on stream we could like attach this camera, the one I'm holding, to the surgery robot plate, and like be able to move it anywhere on the table somehow. I think that'd be badass. That's something I can do later. Anyway, let me move back over here and continue the tour. So let me read the chat on this one. All right. Then you come over here. This is my just storage place. I have all these screws, which I really like having all of those screws. It's just like metric sets of all kinds of screw and nut. There's some PVC pipes and shit. Down here is like leftover aluminum extrusions, 2020 extrusions, and 2040 extrusions from the surgery robot, which, like I said, took a couple years off my life, surely, because, oh, that was so fucking hard. Anyway, yeah, it's miscellaneous, batteries, tool things. This is really cool up here. It's like pneumatics thing I got. Lots of cylinders. Oh, these cylinders are from the ejector chair, which Yvonne fell back in over here, and Lily fell back in as well. These are hoverboard hub motors, which I want to do something with the O drive. And then these are just brushless DC motors I need for whatever's. It's like a bunch of metal stuff I've accumulated and use regularly. Yeah, that's not too bad. We got linear rails over here, kind of cool. There's like some big bearings I was going to use for something. Yeah, storage. That's it. And over here, we got baby air compressor, and baby air compressor's father, the adult air compressor. That one I use because it's silent and portable. And I got a 3D printer set up. There's like an electronic soldering station as well. That's where I solder everything. Some like nuts and bolts I really need to rearrange. There's a drill press with like a milling clamp that that is way too tall because the drill press starts here and there's not like a lot of headroom. But I really wanted like a milling clamp so I could make really precision adjustments to whatever I was drilling. And the miter saw, which is badass. Like half of this stuff was for the surgery robot. No shit. It was like just the biggest project I've done. So this miter saw was for cutting the aluminum. That's an aluminum cutting blade or a non-ferrous cutting blade. This is like the immediate tools that I need. So like lots of just hand tools that I'm always going to use. There's like measuring stuff. There's like cutting fluid, oils, like safety stuff, which I never fucking use. Here's like a power. Oh, and I fucked the HDMI.
What up? I'm Jared. I'm 19.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, pal. If you could just fucking work, that would be badass. Come on. Yeah, if you could do it. Yeah. Nope. Okay. I bumped it very slightly. You know, maybe I can build something that fixes how the HDMI works. Hello? Oh, the battery pack ran out of battery. Huh. Okay, bear with me. I fix. Okay. Battery. The HDMI transmitter needs 5 volt running to it, and the little battery pack ran out, so just take these little clippers. You can see I zip tied the battery pack to the top of the camera because that was easiest for me. Maybe I can build something that makes it easier to hold on. Yeah, okay, that's fine. And then I replace battery packs for a fresh one. Nice. That one can just, that one can get zip tied as well. I got plenty of zip ties. Like, is it working again? It's off for a second. Hello? Oh, this is, yeah, alright, yeah, it was a battery pack. Nice. And let me carefully apply that. There's got to be like a better way to do this. Maybe like a little battery changing system. I like the ability to stream from down here because I can kind of just build whatever's on stream and have you guys in the background watching me. There's a lot of dumb shit I want to build that like I don't want to put in videos but just want to do randomly. Alright, you know what? That's the good. So we're gonna get here. Say hi to chat. Hello, hey chat. What's up? You guys, fucking bastards. Dang. This is like the power tools kind of table. We got jigsaw, angle grinder is like 90% of what I use on the table, like a little Dremel. And then last thing, laser cutter. I bought this really, really shitty but powerful and dangerous Chinese K40 laser cutter off of Amazon for like $300 or $200. It is so cheap and so dangerous all at the same time. Like, it's just fucked. 90, like a bunch of the stuff in here is, I've done, like I put the drag chain on, I put the air compressor air through it, this like special nozzle for the air compressor air. I put the honeycomb bed on. Yeah, I did a lot of work on this thing, and I don't use it as much as I should. I like turn it on. Oh yeah, there's the pump goes out the back. It's like an inline duct fan. I just like throw that out the door when I use it. To turn it on, which I wired with a little light switch here. I hope I don't trip the breaker. Haha, hee hee. So there, the laser switch is off. There's like LEDs. It's nice. It's a nice little laser cutter. It's very powerful. Turn it off because it's dangerous. Let's see it work. Go buzz. If you want to see it work, actually, yeah, turn it on. I really need to level the bed, focus it out. So here's a piece of just scrap, I think, balsa. Just scrap wood. Close that down. Turn it on. Put that switch. Then the laser switch is off, so we're safe, right? You know what? Just for double safe, I'm gonna put laser goggles on because this is actually dangerous. Oh yeah. Yeah. Instant blindness if it hits you in the eye with 40-watt CO2 laser. So laser switch still off, so you can move the little head. Yeah, move it over there. Close it. Turn the laser switch on, and then and then turn the laser switch off. I'm going to power it off, turn everything off. Oh yeah, there's a nice little hole clean through the balsa wood. That's pretty badass. It's really cool. I should use it for more things. I'm going to just leave that in there. It smells like cancer. Okay. And that concludes the garage tour. Now I'm going to do some drill